FitnessGenes DNA Squad. This is a thank you video, and I'm thanking you for the incredible work that you did before Christmas, where you completed the scientific questionnaire for us. Today, this is a thank you from me, and also a thank you from Dr. Nathan West, who actually led the research and who has conducted the analysis, so that today I'm actually going to be giving you the results. What is it that we actually found out from the questionnaires that you completed, and how is that going to guide what we do going forwards at FitnessGenes with regards to our product development, with our science, even with the way that we build out the teams. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. The questions that you actually filled out can be broken down into 4 areas. So the first thing we asked you was, what are the problems that you have sticking to a diet? The second thing that we asked you were, what are the problems that you have sticking to an exercise plan? The third thing was, what are the problems that you have eating healthily? And the fourth thing that we wanted to know, what are your favorite snacks? That's a great question. So here are the results. With regards to the first question, what problems do you have sticking to a diet? The way we asked the question, what we were really focusing on was we wanted to get an idea of the types of words that you were all using, so we could actually build out some really interesting diagrams and statistical analysis and actually kind of put words together to really get an idea and really get a feel for what problems you really are actually having. Words like healthy, time, and prepare were the really common words that you were all using. When you combine those, you were basically telling us things like you find it difficult to actually find time to prepare healthy foods, and therefore that makes it difficult to stick to a diet. The second question was, what problems do you have sticking to an exercise plan? And the types of words that we were seeing there were things like busy, time, work, and enjoyment. So what you're basically telling us there is that because you have busy lives, it can often be difficult to find the time to actually work out. And then when you do actually work out, you really want to make sure that it's enjoyable. So I totally get that. The third question was to do with healthy food choices and what are the difficulties that you have eating healthily. It was the same answers as the first question. So it was time and actually having time to prepare healthy foods. Again, I totally get that. And the fourth question was to do with snacks and what are your favorite go-to snacks. And this was really interesting because the #1 go-to snack that you all said was protein, which is fantastic considering we're trying to promote a great fitness lifestyle. But then you were talking about things like chocolate and chicken and cheese and rice and all of these other types of foods. And actually, loads of you actually talked about chocolate protein and chocolate protein bars and things like that. Now, you could argue that some of these are unsurprising, but actually what we have is we have the data that supports a lot of these, what might seem unsurprising results and unsurprising statistics, but it's quite clear that they're important to you. I want you to know that what we're actually doing with this data is we're using it within our product development and with how we do things like redevelop and build out the members site, how we deliver workout programs to you, and ultimately how we deliver recipes and meal plans, which is something that we're just working on at the moment and should be set to launch quite soon. So whenever we ask you to fill out these questionnaires, it's not some blinded process. We're actually asking you so that you can actually help us understand what it is that you want, what's going to make your lives better, what's going to make your lives easier, and therefore we make sure that we're building for you and we're not building for what we think we should be doing. We are actually building the products that you are asking us to build. So again, I want to say a massive thank you. Thank you from me, thank you from the science team, thank you from Dr. Nathan West, who actually led this piece of science and led the data analysis. You have my commitment that we're going to make sure we build the best products for you and that we support you in every way that we possibly can, being incredible members of the FitnessGenes DNA Squad. So, thank you very much.